Yeah, so we're out in Cockeysville at one of our installs. This is a beautiful house here, so we're taking all the extra precautions, make sure everything's clean, make sure it's an easy cleanup, make sure nothing gets damaged. We're shingling right now, ripping off the roof in the spots that we'll be able to shingle over today. In the areas that we won't be able to, we're leaving them, and then we'll be finishing everything tomorrow. The homeowner is a realtor, has given us a lot of business actually, so we love to return the favor. We found some damage at her property and actually got her roof fully paid for her deductible, which is $500. So, that's amazing. This is actually a $60,000 project that, because she had hail and wind damage on her property, she got it all covered through her insurance company, paid $500, just her deductible. They originally filed the claim about 2 months ago. Took about, a week to 2 weeks to get the adjuster out here. When the adjuster came out, he met with one of our reps and went over everything, determined, hey, this roof is damaged and needs to get paid for. And then from there, it took another week to get the payments from the insurance company. After that, we chose the color with the homeowner, went over the contract and everything. And then our schedule was about 3 weeks out. So 3 weeks from then, we delivered the material about a day or two before the install. Now we're starting the install today and we'll be finished tomorrow. Yeah, so what we like to do on some of the newer installs we're doing in some of the higher end homes is we like to install black drip edge, especially when they have white hardy board or any type of siding there. It gives a great contrast with the roof and the siding, so really makes the roof stand out and the architecture pop, especially if you have great architecture like this house does. Now, because of daylight saving times, it gets dark at like 5:30, so they're usually cleaning everything up by 5:30, and then usually leave by 6:30 after they're done, make sure everything's super clean for the day. Then they'll be back bright and early, 7 a.m. the next day. Yeah. They didn't even have that before. That's an addition. So that's drip edge. Yeah. So before they didn't have drip edge on the property, now it's a code requirement. Yeah. So we brought it up to code. We always do that. So drip edge and ice and water are the main things that we're kind of adding to these homes now. Everything else, they used to have just felt paper. We use synthetic underlayment now, which is a better product. And drip edge, ice and water, these are all like new code standards that we have to follow.